In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone yourself for free with HeyGen. By the end, you'll have a clear, simple path to creating a digital version of yourself you can use in videos without recording every time. Before we begin, a quick tip. Your results depend a lot on the video you provide, so good lighting, a quiet space, and a neutral background make a big difference. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen and look for the official website in the results. Click through to open the HeyGen app. If you're taken to the avatar area, perfect. If not, navigate to the section where avatars are managed in the app. You might be asked to sign in. That's normal. Keep in mind, only create an avatar of yourself or someone who has clearly given you permission. Once you're in the avatar area, look for the option to create something new and select New Avatar. On the creation screen, choose the option labeled Clone a Real Person. This is what HeyGen uses to build a digital twin that mirrors your appearance and expressions. You'll see a path to upload footage. Go ahead and click Upload Footage to get started. Next, choose Upload Video Footage. This opens your file picker so you can select a video of yourself. For best results, use a clip where you're centered in the frame, facing the camera, and speaking clearly. Natural, even lighting across your face is important, and try to avoid heavy shadows, hats, or anything that covers your features. Aim for steady framing, minimal background noise, and a calm, neutral expression, with some natural blinking and light head movement. Once you've selected your file, confirm your choice, then click Create Avatar. HeyGen will begin processing your video to generate the avatar. This can take a little time, so let it run without closing your browser tab. If your upload stalls, check your internet connection or try a slightly smaller file. If you see format or duration guidelines, make sure your clip fits within them for smoother processing. When the process finishes, your avatar will appear in your avatar library inside HeyGen. From there, you can use it in projects by typing a script and letting the avatar speak on your behalf. If something looks off, like lighting mismatches or lip sync issues, consider re-uploading footage with clearer audio, steadier framing, or brighter, more even lighting. That's it. You've just created a free digital clone of yourself with HeyGen, ready to save you time and help you produce consistent, on-brand videos whenever you need them.